1. Luxury and premium cars. Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2024, BMW 5 Series and i5 2024. Audi A6 e-tron. Lexus LBX, Genesis G V80 Coupe 2, electric vehicles, Tesla Cybertruck, BYD Seal Kia EV9 Volvo EX30, Fisker Ocean 3, SUVs and crossovers, Toyota Land Cruiser, Ford Bronco, Hyundai Santa Fe, Chevrolet Trax, Honda Prologue 4, performance and sports cars, Porsche 911, Chevrolet Corvette E-Ray, McLaren 750S, Nissan Z Nismo. 5. Budget and mass market cars. Maruti Suzuki Swift, Hyundai Creta, Tata Punch EV, Kia Sonet, Renault Duster.